Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that ChatGPT access denied. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on three dots on the top right. Then you need to click on Settings, and here you need to click on Privacy and Security. Then you need to scroll and click on Cookies and other site data. Scroll down. Click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Here we need to search for OpenAI. And then you need to remove the trash. Click on Clear. Clear again. Then we need to open ChatGPT to check. Click on Login. Enter your email. Enter your password and click on Continue. So now here you can see that ChatGPT is now working. So this is the simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.